check out natin yung Nugget Point. Let's go!
Rugged, remarkable, and 360-degree sensational views. At Nugget Point, Tutara Scenic Reserve, the wonders of nature are all around you. From the main car park to the lighthouse is an easy, slightly uphill walk.
Si parang Edwin tsaka si Madam Lonita.
On average, it will take you from 10 to 20 minutes return. Along the way, you may see the fur seal colony on the rocks at sea level to the left of the track and also below the lighthouse. Or you may wander around the many seabirds that make the Nugget Point their home. During the months of December to February, elephant seals also make the Nugget Point their stopover point. The iconic Nugget Point, or the Nuggets as referred to by the locals, is located near Kaka Point. Wave-eroded rocks, which are likened to a shape of a gold nuggets, can be seen from the viewing platform at the end of the path. The lighthouse was built in 1869 to 1870 and is 9.5 meters high and situated 76 meters above sea level.
Alright, so yun ang Nugget Point. Thank you sa panonood. Hanggang susunod. Paalam.